What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right here, it's a 2022 Kia K5. 2022 Kia K5. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this front bumper. Enough said, let's get to work. Comes right out. Let's go to the left side. Alright guys, this side is complete. Now I'm gonna go do the bottom section. Okay guys, now we're going to take off the top section, the clips. Okay, guys, there is no scoop up underneath it. Now, this thing comes right off. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take off the bumper. Guys, we're going to go ahead now and take off the bumper. There's a plug over here. We're going to take that plug loose. Real quick. How many videos have you been watching? Follow my face. Yeah. That's it. That's how you do that, guys. It comes right off. Very easy. Comes right off. Alright? Let's get it done. Okay guys, that's when you take off the bumper. Now I'm going to show you guys how to pick up the headlight. I will show you guys the points first, then I will show you guys the work, okay? Let's get to work. Okay guys, these are the points on how to get this headlamp from out this vehicle. We're gonna go and take that screw from right there, that's one. Another one is right here, that's two. Down here guys, go ahead and take that one from right there, that's three. And we're gonna unplug this plug right here, okay? We'll take this plug and take it out. And then once you take the plug out of there, we're gonna hold this light and take it out of there, all right? Okay guys, this plug right here was the plug that I loosened for the bumper. In order to take this plug loose, you guys see that white clip right there? You're gonna push that white clip down and pull the black clip up. Okay? Push it down and up, see? And it releases the other half. That's how you take it loose, alright? You're gonna hold it guys and hold it forward. That's what that goes guys. Comes out. Alright? Do that. Thank you guys for thank you guys for pulling in. I will catch you guys on the next video. Also guys, I will show you guys how to take out that fender, but that process will be on my other channel. I'll link it to the box below. Thank you. Okay guys, here you go. And the first thing we're going to do, after you guys get out the headlamp and the bumper, this bracket, you guys take off this bracket because there's a screw behind this bracket. I want you guys to take that screw from right there, that one, which is the Philip, and then you're gonna pry it out. There's a screw behind it. You're gonna take the screw out of there. See that screw right there? The screw. But once you take this out, go ahead and take the screw from right there. That screw is a 10mm, guys, a 10mm. Then you're gonna come on the top here, remove that one from there. You're gonna take that one from there. Then you're gonna open the door. Open the door, and there's another one right here. Another one right there. You're gonna take it from there, and then you're gonna come down here on this side. You're gonna take that screw from right there. It's a Philip. That one. That one. Also, there's a clip. I believe there's a clip over here. Oh, that's it. Now you're gonna take them. You're gonna take these two screws from here. Then we're gonna grab this rocker and you're gonna pull. You're gonna set back the rocker. You're gonna just hold it. Once you take them two screws from there, you're gonna hold the side and grab the bottom and pull it out. Then you guys will see two screws in the bottom. Go ahead and take them two screws from there, and that should give you the clear to take out this fender. With that said, I want you guys to stay tuned and watch the work. I'm show you how to do the work. One screw right there, one. straight. Now you want to grab the fender and take it out. Yeah, guys, this one comes right off. Pretty easy. Comes off. After you do that, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video.